Learn back meridian massage in 1 minute. First, take an appropriate amount of massage oil in your hands. Step 1. Push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Step 2. Pluck and knead the DASWI acupoint area. Step 3. Clench one hand into a fist and use finger knuckles to push and strengthen the trapezius muscle. Step 4. Push the scapular bone seams on both sides and point and knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 5. Divide and push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine until reaching the waist and strengthen. Step 6. Merge thumbs and alternately push the governing vessel. Step 7. Rub the entire back with a clenched fist until warm. Pay attention to not apply too much pressure on the spine above. Have you learned it? Back relaxation techniques. Step 1. Use both thumbs alternately to divide and separate the DASWI acupoint area 10 to 20 times. Step 2. Use both thumbs simultaneously to push the fatigue muscles on the left and right side 6 to 10 times. Step 3. Finger push the bladder meridian on the shoulder 8 to 10 times. Step 4. Push the right scapula 6 to 10 times. Then push the right scapular region 6 to 10 times. Push with both hands simultaneously 3 to 6 times. Step 5. Clench fists and simultaneously push and scrape the trapezius muscles on both sides 10 to 20 times. Step 6. Divide and separate the bladder meridian on the back 20 to 30 times. Step 7. Clench fists and push both sides of the spine 6 to 10 times. Finally, soothe the entire back. Learn it quickly for your family. Learn home back meridian massage in 1 minute. First, take an appropriate amount of massage oil. Step 1. Perform Z-shaped pushes on the neck. Step 2. Push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Step 3. Alternately pluck and knead the DASWI acupoint area. Then perform straight pushes. Step 4. Push both sides of the scapula. Step 5. Push the scapular bone seams. Point and knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 6. Push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 7. Rub the entire back with a clenched fist until warm. Be gentle on the spine, don't apply too much force. Finally, soothe and relax the back muscles. Learn back meridian massage in 1 minute. Step 1. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Step 2. Pluck and knead the DASWI acupoint area. Step 3. Push the scapular bone seams on both sides. Step 4. Push both sides of the back until reaching the waist and strengthen with point kneading. Step 5. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle of the back. Be gentle on the spine, don't press too hard. Step 6. Rub the entire back with a clenched fist until warm. Repeat each action above 15 to 20 times. How to do back relaxation at home. Follow me to do it together. First step, separate and push the trapezius muscles on both sides, and then strengthen it with your knuckles. Next, use your fingertips to alternately push the DASWI acupoint area, 10 sets for each. Remember to be slow, steady, and forceful. Second step, use both hands to push the left scapular border, and then push the right side in the same way. Next, strengthen both sides at the same time, which can be pushed forward or backward, 10 sets for each. Third step, use both hands to push the back muscles on both sides from top to bottom. 10 sets for each. Fourth step, Use both fingertips to push straight along the bladder meridian on both sides. Finally, make a fist and rub the back until it is warm. Have you learned it? Complete back meridian massage technique. First step, use both thumbs to push the trapezius muscles. You can use your knuckles for reinforcement. Second step, use your thumbs alternately to pluck and knead the Daswi acupoint area. Third step, separate and push the scapular borders on both sides. Press and knead the Tianzong acupoint. Fourth step, push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Strengthening the massage at the waist. Fifth step, push the central du meridian. Finally, rub the back until it is slightly warm. Back relaxation that you can do at home only takes 10 minutes. First, push the trapezius muscles on both the left and right sides. Make a fist and use your knuckles for reinforcement. Lift and pull the Daswi acupoint area. Push straight on the dowager's hump. Push the scapulae on both the left and right sides. Make circles and press and knead the Tianzong acupoint. Use the pads of your thumbs together to push the central du meridian to the waist, being careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Make a fist and push the bladder meridian on both the left and right sides. Finally, rub the waist until it is warm. Learn it quickly and try it on your family. 5 commonly used techniques for back meridian massage at home. First, take an appropriate amount of massage oil. First step, separate and push the trapezius muscles on both sides 20 times. And then do straight pushing for reinforcement. Second step, press and knead the Daswi acupoint 20 times. Third step, separate and push the scapular borders on both sides. Then press, knead, and reverse push for reinforcement 20 times. Fourth step, push straight along the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine 20 times. Fifth step, push straight along the central du meridian 20 times. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Today, I will share a simple and easy to learn home back meridian massage technique. First step, use the pads of 2 fingers to separate and pluck the Daswi acupoint area. Second step, use both hands to separate and pluck the trapezius muscles on both sides. Third step, use the pads of 2 fingers to separate and pluck the scapular borders on both sides. Then press and knead the Tianzong acupoint. And rub the entire scapular area. Fourth step, separate and push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Fifth step, push straight along the central du meridian. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Sixth step, make a fist and rub the entire back until it is warm. Finally, soothe and bring back. 1 minute to teach you how to do back meridian massage. First step, apply massage oil evenly and press and knead the trapezius muscles on both sides. Second step, push straight on the Daswi acupoint area. Third step, separate and pluck the scapular borders on both sides. Fourth step, push straight along the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Fifth step, push straight along the central du meridian. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Make a fist and rub the entire back until it is warm. Finally, soothe the entire back.